How to reset the Pandora account's password. Hey guys, let's get started. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, here is a quick fix. First of all, open any of your browser and go to us.pandora.net. Now go to the login page and provide your credentials. If you don't remember it, there is option to sign in and continue with the Google as well. Or you can log in with Facebook as well. To reset, tap on Forget Password. Now the first step is provide the email address that you first used to create the Pandora account. Once you have given the valid email address, click on Submit. Now this will send you a link on your email address whereby you have the steps by which you can reset your password. This will ask you for some credentials as well as additional verification process and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.